Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share boiled potato pakora recipe. It's very tasty. Potato 3 medium. Water as required. Cover and boil 10 to 12 minutes. Done. Take off the skin. Break the potato with fork. Don't mash. Sliced onion 1/2 cup. Chopped chili 2 teaspoon. Coriander leaf 2 tablespoon. Ginger and garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix. Cumin seeds 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Garum flour 1/2 cup. Corn flour 2 tablespoon. Mix. Little bit water. Mix. Rest for 10 minutes. Time to fry. Flip. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Pinch of black salt. Mix. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.